Hi mga Kalaagan! Ako si Kalaagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Sugbo Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Sugbo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Sugbo. It's another pageant episode and another handsome pageant king na naman ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide, who will be representing Dumaguete City. Once again, we have Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal. Hi,
Miss
Kenneth.
Fritz.
How are you?
I'm back again.
Yes.
Show.
Oh my God.
It's not another king. It's still me, guys.
It's still the king. Mas lalong gumagwapo ngayon si Kenneth.
Another interview naman with Miss Fritz.
Yes.
It's good to be back, Miss Fritz.
How are you and how was the competition so far for Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide?
Right now, Miss Fritz, we just started last February. So currently, I'm very happy and I feel really happy, Miss Fritz, dahil sobrang dami pa rin supporters. Andyan pa rin sila. Andyan pa rin kayo with my manager also. And I'm very happy kasi I'm so blessed dahil nakabalik pa ako despite after my pageant. And thankfully din sa Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide, binigyan nila ako ng another chance to compete on their pageant.
And who knows, very soon, you will be representing the Philippines, diba? Okay,
let's
now
manifest that.
Manifesting for that. Now, let's get the ball rolling because I will be asking some question na agad-agad. Now, Kenneth, what motivates you to join Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide?
Actually, Miss Fritz, to be honest, after my pageant, it's a common reaction to feel really sad on losing that pageant, ended up being first runner-up. And dahil being first runner-up is the most parang painful placement that you will get, right? In any competition, most especially in a pageant. Dahil you're almost there, you're so near yet you're so far on achieving your goal. And parang naisip ko noon, bakit kaya I'm first runner-up and hindi ko nakuha yung crown. So I realized na maybe there's more plan for me. May plan pa si God for me na better. And so right now I'm trying again. And hopefully ito yung time, ito yung perfect time. That's why after that, yung na-realize ko, I talked to my manager, to my team here in Cebu. Sabi ko na, if there will be another pageant or another opportunity for me to join again, then I would really love to join. So yun, kinausap ko si Sir Albert, sila Miss Mitch, and agree naman sila dahil I deserve daw another chance. And then, doon ko din na-realize na maybe God has opened another door for me noon after kaming nakapasok sa MPW. Kaya I'm so happy right now talaga na nakapasok ako and nabigyan ako ng another chance to prove and to do the thing that I really love, which is pageantry.
Wow. A wise woman said nga you are not being denied, but you are being redirected. Diba?
Yes,
So you don't know, diba? Now, what's your favorite Filipino tradition?
My favorite Filipino tradition? I can say that that is festival.
Festivals, yes.
Because normally my family always celebrated that in my hometown. We have a lot of visitors. My family from my mother and father's side gather together. We have friends. And parang lahat ng tao magsasama dahil
At
sa
masaya,
festival.
diba?
Masaya, kumakain lahat together.
Mukhang ding reunion na rin, diba?
Yes, yung mga pagkain is parang lahat ng Filipino food andun. The lechon.
The lechon! Ay, my God! Nalito na naman tayo dyan.
Lahat.
Yes,
especially na sa amin, we're from the market, right? So, we sell fishes and seafoods. So, dun, parang ang saya ng bisita namin dahil ang dami naming parang putahe
So marami pagkain.
Marami pagkain. And it's
Diba?
free kasi hindi naman yun namin binibili.
Oh,
Galing
diba?
sa amin.
So soon ako magfiesta
Yeah,
ka. Punta
invited
ko
kayo
ah.
Magdala kayo ng plastic.
Ay! May kwan pala, may
Pambaon.
papasharon pala tayo dyan.
Sharon ka
Oh, diba? Now, Kenneth, there was one video na trend talaga there was a photo shoot, naka-topless ka. Tapos may mga pahid-pahid oil, di ba? Mas gumagda yung katawan mo ngayon. Now, my question is, how do you stay physically and mentally fit?
I am a person who is parang holistically prepared always. Parang ito na yung parang ano ko ba, the usual thing that I do.
Sanay na.
Sanay na.
Yan na yan.
Like parang ito na talaga ako ba as a person. Like I go to church, I go to gym. Parang may routine na ako every week. And what I usually do is parang every day, I don't limit myself. Gusto ko lahat every day, I'm always productive on what I do. Like ayoko nang may time na parang nagkahiga lang ako dyan. Well, natutulog naman ako. Like, pero like, once a day lang ba? Like, yung oras lang talaga for sleeping, that's my for sleeping. Like, 7 to 8 hours a day, yun. Pero after that, the whole day, I want to really work, grind.
Productive baga.
Yes,
No?
productive yun.
Wow.
Kasi, parang na-inherit ko na yan as I parang go through
Nasanay
in this
na.
life
Oo,
ba.
talaga.
Kailangan kong parang magsikap talaga. I really want to strive hard for my family and for my future.
Kahit noon pa man talaga, you work hard for your family. I have witnessed that one naman talaga, no? And also yung 8 hours of sleep, sana all naman talaga yung 7 to 8 hours of sleep, diba? Yes.
Even though madami tayong ginagawa, dapat talaga tayo mag-rest. It's very important.
Health is wealth pa rin.
Yan yung parang nakakalimutan na ng lahat ngayon.
Correct.
Dahil sa sobrang busy. But
We still
despite
need to
that,
rest pa rin.
we need to rest also.
Correct. Now, if you could have dinner with any Filipino historical figure, who could it be and why?
Any historical figure? That would be, I think, Andres Bonifacio.
Andres Bonifacio. Bakit naman?
Dahil diba siya yung parang, he helped us, diba, to set our freedom during the Spaniards.
Yes, tama.
And parang gusto ko siyang kausapin about how he did it, about his braveness, his ano yung inspiration niya to really parang stand. Kasi parang maliit lang siya na tao. Pero how brave he is ba? And that's something na parang
small but terrible, ganun ba?
Yun dapat lahat ng Pilipino. Kahit maliit tayo, kahit anong lalaban pa rin tayo sa anong hamon ng buhay.
Yes.
So, hindi tayo parang magpapatapak sa ibang tao.
Ganun talaga ang Pinoy, diba? Now, why should you be crowned as one of the kings of Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide 2025?
Well, lahat naman siguro. I think everyone is equally deserving to get a crown. Kasi, di ba, sabi nila nga na this edition or this batch is an all-star batch.
Ay, grabe!
Oo, sabi nila. Kasi,
kung kapag yung isang pageant, salpukan, ito, bardagulan din eh. Nakakaloka din to eh.
Sabi nila na parang, totoo naman din na mostly on my competitors. I don't really treat them as competitors, but my brothers.
Your brothers, yes.
Soon to be my brothers, iba sa kanila is naka-experience na national and iba din naka-international na din, same with me. So I think in my end, in my perspective, I should win this pageant because I'm here to really win.
Oh no.
And continue my story and also continue my mission here in pageantry kasi hindi pa naman ako tapos sa mission ko in pageantry. And also, I'm really willing to really work with this organization, sa Pilipinas Organization. As we all know na maganda talaga yung organization and maraming good feedback with them. So, parang doon talaga ako nakapag-iisip din na dito ako sasali. And mainaay talaga ako, which is supranational. And aside from that, I really want to continue to create my legacy here in pageantry that will last forever. Most especially na to create history on getting an international title. Most especially in Supra kasi wala pa talaga doon.
Pero kahit anong crown naman, yung mission mo din na to continue raising the Philippine flag.
Yes, yun din. Kahit ano naman talagang title na mabigay sa akin, I'm really willing naman kasi I know na kahit gusto ko yun, mas may alam pa yung organization sa akin eh. So I respect their decision that any crown that will be given to me or title, I will really be happy to work with them.
Yes, and I think you're very ready for another crown, diba? Yes, alright, mga Kalagan, ang dami na naman natin nalalaman sa pageant king natin ngayon. Now, before we continue, I would like to personally thank first our sponsor. I would like to personally thank GPA Headquarters and Studio for the accommodation. Thank you very much. I would like to personally thank also Timplora Dermatologica for always making me fresh because I am Timplora Touch. BNB Model Cebu, thank you very much. Aces and Queens, and Quick Thoughts. Thank you very much. Now, for our next segment, first time to mangyayari dito sa Lagan sa Subo. At first time na si Kenneth talaga. Kasi palagi na nandito si Kenneth eh. So, dapat may bago tayo kay Kenneth.
Ako yung sa Lagan sa Subo.
Diba? Kasi ngayon, correct. Kasi ngayon, our next segment is Guilty or Not Guilty. So, I will be asking some question. Just answer it with guilty or not guilty. Ang tanong, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. All right.
I don't think so.
Kenneth Kabungkal, guilty or not guilty? Nag-drunk dahil ng ex.
Guilty.
So, ayun pala. So, ex naman yun. Ex nag-dial ng ex.
Dito talaga ako sa Lagan.
Revelation!
Dito talaga, guys.
Okay.
Abangan nyo.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Kasi kahit ako nga, kasi
that's normal.
may nangyari naman. Ibig ko sabihin, may past naman kayo. Diba? Okay. Alright. Guilty or not guilty? Nakipag-blind date.
Not guilty.
Not guilty. So, wala pa. Wala. Blind date.
Right.
Usually, pakilala na. Okay. Alright. Kenneth Kabungkal, guilty or not guilty? Nakipagsuntukan dahil sa babae.
Not guilty.
Not guilty. Ang bait ni Kenneth!
I don't do that.
Ang bait niya. Diba? Okay. Very understandable naman.
Yan talaga yung parang ko, Miss Fritz, parang isa sa principle ko. Bago ako mag-jowa, dapat alamin ko muna.
Yung
kasi,
girl.
Mas importante sa akin yung bro code.
Ba't talaga si Kenneth? Okay. Ito. Guilty or not guilty? Nang ligaw ng female model.
Not guilty.
Not guilty! So, hindi model. So, that was just an ordinary
right now,
netizen.
Kasi, hindi pa talaga ako, I'm not into a relationship right now.
Concentrate muna sa crown.
Yeah, but wala naman akong parang parang walang tawag dyan, parang kahit sino naman, okay naman sa akin.
Okay.
As long as parang okay yung babae, yung pasok sa criteria ko.
Criteria. Gana may criteria of judging. Alright.
But not right now.
Okay. Not right now kasi concentrate muna sa crown. Okay. Kenneth Kabungkal, guilty or not guilty? Nakatulog na walang suot.
Guilty.
Gusto ko katabi si Kenneth! Oh my God!
Hindi na wala nga lang susuot pag natutulog.
Ano man? Kung ikaw lang mag-isa, di ba? Ay! So, grabe naman. Kenneth naman, katabi. Okay, ito. Guilty or not guilty? Na insecure sa katawan.
Na insecure sa katawan. Yeah, before.
Before.
Para-
Okay. So, may insecurity pa rin?
Before.
Pero ngayon, wala na.
Before, parang na-realize ko din na we're perfectly perfect ba? As I go, parang nag-mature na yung
Nag-mature.
pag-iisip.
Kasi
Parang-
iba ka na ngayon.
Yeah.
You grown already.
Most especially nung international pageant ko, parang grabe yung insecurity ko.
Aha,
Kasi,
okay.
Diba, mga foreigners,
Mm.
mga malalaki yung katawan nila. But I realized ko na, I'm a Filipino. This
Yes.
is my genes, this is my blood.
Correct.
I am small, I am this. So I have to embrace this and show the world that even I am this, I can always conquer the world.
Sabi ng mga netizen, Kenneth Kabungkal is the typical pure Filipino na gwapo at saka yung Filipino skin. Ganon. Okay. Eto. Complete this statement. The best kind of love is...
Unconditional love. And that is from the Lord Jesus
Aww.
Christ.
Unconditional love. Oh, naman. But last question. Ngayon, kahit wala kang jowa pero may nagpapatibok na ba sa puso ni Kenneth Kabungkal?
Na, as what I have said, na I'm not ready right now. I'm still building myself. Parang, I want to really have a secured future for myself and for my future family also. That's why I'm really grinding right now. But if there's a perfect time na I'm ready, then I will go and find that woman.
Ang swerte ng babae niya for the future. Alright, Kenneth, can you please invite our Lagan sa Cebu viewers where we can follow you, your social media platform, and how we can support you for the upcoming Mr. Filipinas Worldwide 2025. Go ahead.
Hi mga kalagan, I'm inviting you to please also follow and like, subscribe Lagan sa Cebu, guys, for more videos and interesting interview. And for me, you can follow me through my Facebook page, Kenneth Kabungkal, on my Instagram, Kenneth Vincent, on my TikTok also, Kenneth Vincent. And I would like to thank
Go ahead.
also Miss Fritz, my sponsors, which is My Skin from Skin Doctor, My Smile from Ibon Dental Clinic, IDC here in Cebu, and my gym, Anytime Fitness here also. And to everyone, most especially GPA, to my team here, Quick Thoughts family, and BNB Models family, to everyone guys who's supporting me, and to the ones who will support me in the future also, thank you so much in advance. And I hope that hopefully I will make you proud in this another pageant of mine.
Manifesting on that.
Manifesting.
All right. Once again, Makalagan, our Mr. Filipinas Worldwide 2025, who will be representing Dumaguete City, we have Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal. Thank you so much again for guesting here at Lagan sa
Thank you so much,
Cebu.
Miss Fritz. I really appreciate you for doing this.
Thank
Another
you.
interview. I know na pang ilan na natin to. But
pero ang
hindi ka
nag-joke rin ako.
nagsasawa. Andito ka pa rin to support us.
Yes! At ikaw yung mga isang favorite kings ko eh. My God!
Thank you so much.
Yes, and congratulations on being part of Mr. Filipinas Worldwide, and good luck for the upcoming
Thank you,
competition.
Miss Fritz.
You're welcome. And also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Lagan sa Cebu and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Lagan sa Cebu. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz saying, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Cebu Pageantry All Access.